No more Sundarlal Bahuguna. A great environmentalist, Sundarlal Bahuguna, the earth warrior, who dedicated his life to save the environment, not more. He was born on 9th day of January 1929 in Tehri, Uttarakhand, dead on 21st day of May 2021. His wife named Vimla Bahuguna. He was awarded as Padma Vibhushan during the 2009. You can see here a great environmentalist, Sundarlal Bahuguna. Everyone say that world is coming to an end. We see dirt and pollution everywhere, but we do not wish to do anything about it. According to us, environmentalists are earth warriors. They are fighting for cause. What is the cause? They are the people who are fighting to save the environment. A such personality, Sundarlal Bahuguna, not among us. When we talk about environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna, come to our mind. He is an environmentalist who has been part of the great movements to save nature and its gifts which are given by the nature side. The Garhwali environmentalist who belong from the Garhwal district of Uttarakhand, best known as Chipko movement leader, because when some people want to cut the trees for the construction of Tehri Dam, on the same times with the help of local peoples, Sundarlal Bahuguna start to stick with the plants to save the life of the plant for whole universe. He is an ardent follower of the Gandhi's principle. He dedicated his life towards one goal, which is to save the environment and take the necessary steps to improve the environment also. Now try to know about the early life. Sundarlal Bahuguna was born in Tehri, Uttarakhand in the year 1927. On the 9th January, he married Vimla on one condition. He demanded that they would live in a rural setting and start an ashram there. Since he was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, he walked in hills and forests. Bahuguna covered 4,700 kilometers by foot. This one is the imaginary fact about the Sundarlal Bahuguna. Battles to save the environment by Sundarlal Bahuguna. You may have heard about Chipko movement. It was in history books and even taught in political science classes. In today's world, there are very few people who come forward and take necessary steps to save the environment. Sundarlal Bahuguna was one of the rare gems which we cannot found easily. Sundarlal Bahuguna awarded by so many awards. Descriptions given below. Sundarlal Bahuguna has written the following books: Dharti Ki Pukar, Ecology is Permanent Economy, भू प्रयोग में बुनियादी परिवर्तन की ओर, and last book India's Involvement, Myth and Reality. This video is completely dedicated to Sundarlal Bahuguna, who are not more among us. Condolence for great personality. Thank you.